Okay. All right, so today we're going to install this phone mount in this F30 BMW. Pretty simple install. Should take a couple minutes. But as you can see, we've already mounted the ball socket and the magnet to the vehicle specific bracket. So the first step, we're just going to remove this piece. All you have to do is take it from the back top and just pull all the way along, right out to the outside. There we go. All right, and we'll just set it up here for now. Next piece, we're just gonna pull this guy off down here, grab it from the top, pull down, pops right off. And then we gotta get to these 4 screws. So these are T20 Torx. And we're just going to take our driver here with a T20 on it. Just pull these out. Okay. And then this radio is just going to come out just like this. You don't need to unplug it. I'm going to unplug it just to show you guys how this part fits. So basically, this is just going to pop right on here like this, like that, so the holes are lined up. And then installation is going to be reverse of removal. Plug that back in. There we go. Reinstall our screws. Snap our bottom cover back on. And our top cover on with the vents. So we'll line up the ends. Completely reverse of install. There we go. All the clips pop back in and we're good to go. You just adjust as necessary and we're all set.